In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split the worksheet window in Excel. By the end, you'll be able to view 2 or even 4 parts of the same sheet at once, which is incredibly helpful when you're comparing distant rows or columns, checking formulas against source data, or keeping headers in view while you scroll. First, start by clicking a cell in your worksheet. This choice matters because Excel uses your selection to decide where the split lines appear. Think of the selected cell as the pivot point. When you split from a cell in the middle of the sheet, Excel places a horizontal split above that row and a vertical split to the left of that column, creating 4 panes. If you select a cell in the top row, you'll only get a vertical split. If you select a cell in the first column, you'll only get a horizontal split. A quick tip: pick the cell just below and to the right of where you want your headers or labels to remain visible, so your panes show the areas you care about most. Next, go to the View tab on the ribbon. You'll find it along the top of Excel, among the other tabs like Home and Insert. The View tab groups tools that control how your workbook is displayed, including window arrangements, zoom settings, and the split command we're about to use. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure your Excel window is maximized so all controls are visible. Now click Split. Instantly, Excel inserts 1 or 2 movable split bars based on the cell you selected. Each pane can scroll independently, which means you can keep your headers, key totals, or source lists visible in one area while navigating somewhere else in the sheet. To adjust the layout, hover over a split bar until the cursor changes, then click and drag to reposition it. The panes will resize as you move the bars, giving you the exact view you need. If you ever want to change the split location, simply remove the split and repeat the same 3 actions after selecting a different cell. A helpful reminder: split is a display tool, not the same as freeze panes. Freeze panes locks rows or columns in place while you scroll. Split creates independent scrolling sections. You can use whichever better fits your task. When you're done, click Split again on the View tab to toggle it off. Your sheet returns to a single pane with your data untouched. That's it. Click a cell, go to View, and click Split. Use it anytime you need a clearer side-by-side view of your worksheet.